welcome back to another video. Today is a very exciting day for me because I just got a new dog. He is an Airedale Poodle mix. I have never heard of that until now, but he's very calm, he's talented, he's just so when we went to go look at him, like 5 minutes. I said come, and he came, and he doesn't even know us. He's just amazing. So he's pretty top. He's just 14 weeks old. So here he is. I got him tucked under a blanket. He's really cute. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. His name is Cooper. Yeah. So, yeah. Don't forget to hit that like button, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye!